Hey guys, I'm Jimmy. Today we're going to talk about the wheelspacers. This product is from BONOSS company. Many people have an argument that it is safe or dangerous. Should we use it or should we stay away from it? For some large modified brake keepers, the keeper will make more rooms for more prominent. It will improve the formula that drifting and slipping when you're driving your car at high speed or turn the corner. In terms of handling, it did improve, but it's also dangerous if you choose the quality of product is uneven. Of course, it's very common to install the wheelspacers in many Western countries. I suggest to you guys, if you need it, please buy reliable wheelspacers. Hey guys, there's Jimmy, and today I'm going to share something about my experience of installing the wheelspacers of Mercedes S450L. Recently, I purchased the wheelspacers from the BONOSS company. And look at this. This is the wheelspacers. Because the reliable quality convinced me to buy it. And I have checked some information from the website, and I found materials of the product is 70755T6 forged aluminum alloy. So we don't have worries about the quality of the product. As you guys can see, there are many hollows in the wheelspacers. The design of the wheelspacers is we can ensure the safety, at the same time we can lose the weight. To reduce the weight of the bearing, and let's install the wheelspacers. And you can see the protruding part of these wheelspacers. Because it's hub-centric, it can improve the car while the car is running at high speed under the vibration. And let's have a look at the package. The BONOSS company has passed several standards like TÜV, SGS, ISO, and it also has a 10 years warranty. That's the reasons why I choose it and install my car. If you had any ideas you want to share, please grab me.